How to add music on Messenger Notes. So if you want to add music to your Messenger Notes, then first you need to open up your Messenger application and make sure to log into your Messenger application. And once you've logged in, here on the upper left, you will have your note option, right? Tap on your note and here you will have your note, right? So if you want to add, so if you tap on a new note option, then here you can see that you will have an option to share your note or the text note, right? But on Instagram, if you go to your notes here on the bottom of that your profile, you will have a little music shaped icon, right, to add your music. But on Messenger, we do not have that particular music option yet. So you can simply share text or the lyrics of that music that you like, but you can't share the music on Messenger now. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.